Okay, guys, so today's verb is gonna be the verb okiru. Okay, okiru, which means to wake up or to get up. And the kanji is o, okay, o, and then we have the hiragana ki, which will not change since it's a regular verb, and we're gonna be changing only the last hiragana, which is ru. So it's okiru. So okimasu, okinai, okite. Okay, it's a regular one, is an easy one. So let's have a look at the sentences. So the first form is our dictionary form, jishoke, okiru. 毎朝7時に起きる。毎朝7時に起きる。毎朝7時に起きる。Every morning. This is every. Asa is morning. So 毎朝, every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. 7時. 7時. Every morning, I wake up at 7. Okay? So the next one is our masuke, the polite form. So let's have a look. 目覚まし、ね、目覚まし時計で起きます。目覚まし時計で起きます。目覚ます is a verb that means to, it's like to get up, to wake up. It's kind of similar. Basically, me means eyes, and sameru is like to open your eyes, so open your eyes, meaning to wake up. Okay, but anyway, mezamashi doke is doke comes from toke, and every time you connect one word to another word like that, we tend to put a ten, so the to becomes do, right? So doke, mezamashi doke is nothing more than an alarm clock. So I wake up with an alarm clock. Okay, 目覚まし時計で起きます。The negative form is 起きない、起きない、ね。Don't wake up or don't get up. So for example, 子供、子供、ね、this is 子供. Children はなかなか、ね、is like not easily, ね、なかなか。Usually なかなか comes with a negative, so it's like usually can't or usually don't. Okay, in this case, don't wake up. Okay, so 子供はなかなか起きないね. So it's like you're trying to wake up your child, and he or she keeps, falling asleep or is not really getting up. So then you can say 子供はなかなか起きない. Now my child doesn't really like wake up, so I'm in trouble. Okay, 子供はなかなか起きない. 困ってます. I'm in trouble. Okay, last one is our imperative form, 起きて, which basically means wake up. Wake up, get up, hurry. So our sentence is going to be hurry up. Hurry. Wake up, wake up, wakey, wakey. So 早く起きて. 早く起きて. Hayaku means hurry. Fast. Hayaku means fast. So wake up fast. Hurry up. Hurry, wake up. 早く起きて. 早く起きてください. Okay, and that was our verb for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. それではまた次のビデオまで待ってます。Take care. Bye bye.